What does EPA reveal about NFL team efficiency? Imagine watching a game and wondering which team truly makes the most of each play. Well, expected points added, or EPA, helps answer that question in a clear way. It measures how much each play changes a team's chances of scoring points, based on the situation on the field. EPA looks beyond just yardage or touchdowns. It considers the context of every play. For example, gaining a few yards on a 3rd and long might be more valuable than a big run on a 1st down. EPA compares the expected points before and after a play. If a team gains a 1st down in a tough spot, the EPA for that play is high because it boosts their scoring chances. If they turn the ball over or lose yards in a scoring position, the EPA is negative. This way, EPA captures both the immediate impact and the game situation. When we look at team efficiency, EPA shows how well a team moves the ball and scores over time. Teams with higher EPA per play are more effective because they gain more value each time they have the ball. This makes it easier to compare teams or see how a team performs in different game situations. For players, EPA helps identify who is really making a difference. A quarterback with a high EPA per pass is consistently creating scoring chances. A running back with a high EPA per rush is gaining yards in tough spots. Defensively, EPA measures how much a team limits the opponent's scoring chances. A good defense will have a low or negative EPA per play, meaning they reduce the opponent's expected points. Coaches and analysts use EPA in reports and visual tools to spot trends and make smarter decisions. They might focus on plays that have a high EPA or players who add the most value in key moments. EPA is a reliable way to predict team success because it measures efficiency and game context, not just raw stats. Teams that have higher EPA per play tend to win more games, and players with high EPA are often the most impactful on the field. By understanding EPA, you get a clearer picture of how teams and players really perform beyond just the basic stats.